Hey everybody, this is Yvonne, and today I'm taping or recording my new book of shadows that I created, and this is already sold, but I wanted to record it to show her how to get to the goodies. Okay, what I've done here, I found an old backgammon game that came in this faux leather case, and I immediately thought that I was going to put a journal in it. When I saw it, it was a little beat up, so I painted the inside of the box and glued the leather down that was peeling. And here we have the book. This is the Amazing Tattooed Beauty. This book measures approximately 7 by 5. It's about 7 by 5. 7.5 by 5. I have pictures of it on the Etsy listing, but I'll do a quick flip through. I didn't do a lot of decoration because I want the pages to be written on as usual. But this first page is a pocket. There's a big journal card in there for her. Just some stamping. Tickets, a little more stamping, a pocket here, and this is the end of the first signature. Put the rest of that pocket, and I put a doily pocket on both sides of it as well, so this doily is also a pocket. Second signature, a little more stamping. More stamping. This is probably upside down, so I'll try to flip it. This is a pocket. This pocket is from one of my digital kits. And of course, all of these papers are hand dyed. The tuck spot here, the vintage postcard from that kit. This folder's from that kit. This is a sticker. This is paper leather that I made with cardstock and vintage dyes and sprays. And I just stamped on it. There's another stamp there. This page is flip out. It's an envelope that I glued down. It flips up and there's a journal card in there. And that's the end of that signature. And this last signature is another pocket. Big journal card in there. It's a little sticker banner. More stickers, the vellum tuck spot, big journal card, the book page I did some stamping on, and this is the end of that signature with the pocket. I took the big map into the pocket. It's a whole map. I took journal card behind this belly band and put an envelope over it. This envelope is also in the kit. And on the other side, You open it up like this, and I just tucked a little notebook into this pocket here. It doesn't quite go all the way down. It's a little wider. This I just decorated with some printouts from the Vampire Journal Kit. I'm sure a lot of you have seen online. It's a free download. This is hand-dyed sketch paper, the thicker papers. This is a big pocket here with a little pocket in front of it. And a lot of these are trifolds to give you extra writing space, little hidden areas. Some are pockets. This is one of the die cuts from Prima Moonchild paper pack. It's gorgeous. This is a cutout from a children's book. And ledger paper. That's the end of that. And on the inside of the back cover, I have another vintage postcard that I just glued down. And you close it like that. You close the small side first, and you flip the large side over it. And here I have included this stick. It's just a cuticle stick from a manicure set, actually, but it works perfectly for this purpose, because here in the bottom, I've included a false bottom where I've hid some more ephemera. Put a little tuck spot there so you can hold it. Just a little ephemera in here for you. I won't show you all of it. There's stickers, some journal cards, the tape. So there's your extras hidden under your false bottom. I got it to fit in there really tight. So when you put it in, you're going to need the stick to pop it back up. So that just goes alongside your book there, like a wand almost. And then you close your box. And there's your journal. I am going to include this image in case you want to decorate your box. So thank you for your order, and thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like the video, subscribe. I have a lot more projects coming up. I've been working on a lot of new printables, so I got a lot more videos coming up. I finally, excuse me, I finally got a tripod so I can do videos a little better. I'm still working on my setup, as you can see, but I'm working on the equipment. I have the equipment to at least record some tutorials for you guys. So once I get my setup down, I'll start doing page layouts for you guys. I may do some planner videos because I did make a few planner stickers. So I do have plans to do some plan with me's eventually. So stick with me, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.